Hey, Chris here with Smile Mile Painting, and I'm sitting out here at a customer's house, and we just pruned a bunch of these rose bushes right here that were along the house. So now you can see that there's a nice little path that goes back behind those rose bushes, and I carry some shears around in my truck, so whenever we can help a customer out, we like to do that. So you can see over here that we took quite a bit off. We filled up his garbage can full of bushes, and but that's just something we do as we come out to paint your house. What we like to have is just a nice walkway between the bushes and the house, so that we can get our paint back there, and if there's any construction that needs to be done, we can do that. And there is some construction down here on these boards down here on the bottom. The water's got up on those, and they just need to be replaced, which is super simple and easy, and we're gonna hopefully do that tomorrow. But again, that's just what we do here at Smile Mile Painting. We do what we can to make the customers smile and make them happy. So hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.